Hello viewers, once again welcome back in our new video. In this video we'll discuss another important topic, and I'm sure this topic will be important for flat owners. Guys, today's topic is how income tax is charged on maintenance received from flat owners. Guys, in this video we'll try to find out that income which is earned or rises by maintenance received from flat owners is taxable or exempted. Guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video now.
Hello viewers and students of AITCS. Welcome to the AITCS official channel. In today's video discussion session, we shall cover one of the important and simple topic of the Income Tax Act, and the name of the topic is how the surplus income which is arised from the maintenance charge collected from the flat owners is charged to Income Tax Act. We all are aware that in cities there is a concept of housing society or flat owners association or cooperative society. These housing societies or flat owners association, by whatever name it is known as, they collect maintenance charge from the members, that is flat owners, and these maintenance charge is utilized for the benefit of the members. If any surplus is received that is being invested for the purpose of earning interest income, or it remains in fund. In today's session, the main question which shall try to answer is that how the surplus income is taxed under the Income Tax Act. Before discussion this topic at the length, let us see the related provision of the income tax law through which this surplus income is governed. The related provision is on the screen. Let us read it. How income tax is charged on maintenance received from flat owners by housing society or flat owners association. Surplus income derived out of maintenance fees collected from flat owners by a housing society or flat owners association is not taxable under Income Tax Act because of principle of mutuality. According to this principle, a person cannot make a taxable profit out of transaction with himself. Income must therefore come from outside. An individual or organization raising contribution to a common fund for the mutual benefits of the members cannot be said to have earned taxable income. This principle is equally applicable for association of persons, club, cooperative society, etc. Note: interest earned on deposit of surplus maintenance fees is taxable as this income is from outside. Here, principle of mutuality shall not apply. So students, the law is very clear. In income tax there is a principle which is called principle of mutuality. According to the doctrine laid out in this principle, that is the principle of mutuality, it cannot be said that a person can generate income from himself. In case of housing society or flat owners association, the maintenance charge which is collected from the flat owners is from themselves, and it is expenses for the benefit of the flat owners. Here, flat owners and housing society is considered as a mutual unit, so the income in the form of maintenance charge is within itself. it is not earned from the outside. So based on the principle of mutuality, the maintenance charge which is collected from the flat owners, if any surplus arises after being expended for the benefit of the flat owners, is not taxable under the Income Tax Act. This principle has laid down while deciding the many case laws by the honorable authority, whether it is a high court or ITAT. The principle is well established that any income which arises within the source, within the entity, is not taxable. The doctrine of the principle of mutuality is equally applicable to any other form of association of persons, or any other form of housing society, or any other form of cooperative society. But one thing here is to be noted, that if the surplus which is left after being expensed for the mutual benefit is invested in certain banks in terms of fixed deposit or any other form of deposit, if any interest is earned from that deposit, then it is taxable under the Income Tax Act. Because the principle of mutuality shall not apply here, because the interest is earned by investing or by depositing outside. So viewers, hope that you have understood the topic. Once again, I would like to reiterate that any maintenance charge collected from the flat owners association is not taxable under the Income Tax Act. Any surplus which is left after the amount is expensed for the mutual benefit of the flat owners or members of the cooperative society or housing society is not also taxable. But any interest which is earned from the investing of the surplus outside, that is within the bank or any fixed deposit, that is taxable. Hope that you have understood the topic. If anyone has any suggestion or any comment, please write in the comment box. If anyone wants to take e-filing training with respect to income tax, TDS, GST, please write for the prospectus at the WhatsApp number given in the description box. Thanks for watching.